Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant. Okay, let's get inside guys. First of all, of course, you can open up ChatGPT. You can open up the ChatGPT application or you can visit chatgpt.com and then you can ask ChatGPT to be your assistant. Just type in become my assistant like this. Oops, sorry. You can create a new chat and then you can type in become my assistant. Oops, sorry, I got typo. Become my assistant like this. And then ChatGPT will offer you something and then you just need to ask anything to ChatGPT. Okay. And ChatGPT will help me to generate idea and then replying to messages or comments in a smart way, and then planning or organizing my content because I have trained ChatGPT to understand my work and my job, guys. So ChatGPT offered this to me. Before you ask ChatGPT to be your assistant, you can train it, you can inform about you and what the ChatGPT can do for you. And basically, you can ask anything from ChatGPT. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create to-do list, and you can ask ChatGPT to reply to email, and so on. And don't forget to ask ChatGPT to be your assistant. And yeah, just be smart in making the prompt, so ChatGPT will give best result for you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.